Welcome. You're now watching our special telecast, The Political Pradesh. I will be tracking it all. Uttar Pradesh's Dangal, Dadagiri and Destiny. The big news of the day, and this will be your one-stop show Monday to Friday at 6:30 p.m. So what was the big highlight of the day? Prime Minister Narendra Modi's big landing at the Purvanchal Expressway. He inaugurated the expressway today afternoon, and of course there was much fanfare. Speaking at the event, the Prime Minister even launched a blistering, though indirect attack on the previous Samajwadi Party government. Prime Minister said the previous governments betrayed the people of Uttar Pradesh who were looted by the dynastic parties just to get rich. He added that the past politicians have blocked him from even developing his home constituency, the Varanasi. Prime Minister Modi also added that earlier people would be looted on the highways of Uttar Pradesh, and under the Yogi government now the roads have become safer. Modi also concluded by saying the Purvanchal Expressway will bridge the gap and connect Uttar Pradesh, and he has now said it is an example of the development path of New India.
एक व्यक्ति घर भी बनाता है तो पहले रास्तों की चिंता करता है, मिट्टी की जांच करता है, दूसरे पहलुओं पर विचार करता है। लेकिन यूपी में हमने लंबा दौर ऐसी सरकारों का देखा है जिन्होंने कनेक्टिविटी की चिंता किए बिना ही औद्योगिकरण के बड़े बड़े बयान दिए, सपने दिखाए। परिणाम ये हुआ कि जरूरी सुविधाओं के अभाव में यहां लगे अनेक कारखानों में ताले लग गए। इन परिस्थितियों में ये भी दुर्भाग्य रहा कि दिल्ली और लखनऊ दोनों ही स्थानों पर, चाहे लखनऊ हो या दिल्ली, दोनों ही स्थानों पर परिवारवादियों का ही दबदबा रहा। सालों साल तक परिवारवादियों की यही पार्टनरशिप यूपी की आकांक्षाओं को कुचलती रही, बर्बाद करती रही। पिछले मुख्यमंत्रियों के लिए विकास वहीं तक सीमित था जहां उनका परिवार था, उनका घर था। लेकिन आज जितनी पश्चिम का सम्मान है उतनी ही पूर्वांचल के लिए भी प्राथमिकता है। पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे आज यूपी की इस खाई को पाट रहा है, यूपी को आपस में जोड़ रहा है। जो अपने समय में असफल रहे वो योगी जी की सफलता भी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। जो सफलता देख नहीं पा रहे हैं वो सफलता पचा कैसे पाएंगे। मैं यूपी के लोगों की इस बात के लिए भी सराहना करूंगा कि उसने भारत में बनी वैक्सीन के खिलाफ किसी भी राजनीतिक अपप्रचार को टिकने नहीं दिया। यहां के लोगों के स्वास्थ्य से, उनके जीवन से खिलवाड़ की इस साजिश को यूपी के लोगों ने परास्त कर दिया है। और मैं ये भी कहूंगा यूपी की जनता इन्हें इसी तरह आगे भी परास्त करती रहेगी। कितने ही काम थे जो यहां किए जाने जरूरी थे, लेकिन मुझे बहुत पीड़ा है कि तब यूपी में जो सरकार थी उसने मेरा साथ नहीं दिया। इतना ही नहीं, सार्वजनिक रूप से मेरे बगल में खड़े रहने में भी उनको पता नहीं वोट बैंक नाराज होने का डर लगता था। मैं एमपी के रूप में आता था तो हवाई अड्डे पर स्वागत करके पता नहीं खो जाते थे। उनको इतनी शर्म आती थी क्योंकि काम का हिसाब देने के लिए उनके पास कुछ था ही नहीं। मुझे मालूम था कि जिस तरह तब की सरकार ने, योगी जी के आने से पहले वाली सरकार ने यूपी के लोगों के साथ नाइंसाफी की, जिस तरह उन सरकारों ने विकास में भेदभाव किया, जिस तरह सिर्फ अपने परिवार का हित साधा, यूपी के लोग ऐसा करने वालों को हमेशा के लिए यूपी के विकास के रास्ते से हटा देंगे।
समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में बनाए हुए एक्सप्रेसवे का उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं। पहले समाजवादी पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे का नाम बदला और नाम बदल करके पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे कर दिया। जिस गुणवत्ता के साथ, जिस क्वालिटी के साथ वो एक्सप्रेसवे बनना चाहिए था, उसमें कंप्रोमाइज किया गया है, उस क्वालिटी के साथ नहीं बनाया गया है।
And here on Political Pradesh, so that you do not miss any of the new developments that take place every day, I'll be getting you a lowdown. So how exactly did the Prime Minister attack the opposition parties as he inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway? Take a look at this one by one. Top 5 attacks that I'm going to bring to you every day. He of course began with the previous government. The fact, he said, they have betrayed not only the people of Uttar Pradesh but also the development aspect. But he also went on to add that these were dynastic parties and they got rich by looting the people of UP, and there was completely a mafia raj, and that in under past governments, and of course that included the Samajwadi Party, the BSP. All of that has been brought in by the Prime Minister without naming them. Importantly, previous government looted people even on the highways, that it was so safe, and only Yogi Adityanath government have made these highways safe for you. But the big one, past governments did not even let me development Varanasi, which is now his home constituency and where we see a lot of changes taking place. So this is how the Prime Minister focused on the Purvanchal Expressway. But I also now want to bring to you about why do you think Purvanchal is the highlight today. It's not just any other expressway. Purvanchal is a significant vote bank. And for you to understand why it is important for the politicians and the voters, Prime Minister has visited Purvanchal 4 times in just 6 weeks. What is the importance, significance of this region and this belt in UP? Take a look at this story.
Elections in UP may be a few months away, but the BJP is leaving nothing to chance. The BJP is bringing out the biggest weapon in its arsenal: Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. With the equations unclear in western UP, the BJP is paying special attention to Purvanchal. The high-octane blitz reached a crescendo on Wednesday when Prime Minister Modi made a Herculean landing in a C-130J Hercules aircraft on the 341-kilometer Purvanchal Expressway connecting Lucknow to Ghazipur.
आज ये पावन धरती का पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस वे के सौगात मिलत बा।
Prime Minister Modi's campaign began with his visit to Varanasi, his own parliamentary constituency, on July 15. Then, on October 20th, PM reached Kushinagar, where the people of Purvanchal were given the gift of an international airport as well as development projects worth over 450 crore rupees.
कुशीनगर के लोगों को, यूपी के लोगों को, पूर्वांचल पूर्वी भारत के लोगों को, दुनिया भर में भगवान बुद्ध के अनुयायियों को कुशीनगर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई।
In all of this, Prime Minister Modi has made his pitch clear. Vikas of UP under the BJP, in Lucknow and at the centre. But the Prime Minister is only getting started. And in the coming days, Prime Minister will be launching a fertilizer factory and an AIIMS in Gorakhpur. During the 2017 UP Assembly polls, the BJP posted a strong performance in Purvanchal, sweeping 115 of the 164 Assembly seats. BJP's campaign so far has revealed its two-pronged attack strategy. While Prime Minister Modi has stuck to the Vikas slogan in Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Adityanath is striking the Hindutva note in his campaign speeches. With Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow, Bureau Report, India Today.
This point, remember, the opposition is not backing out. Whether it is Akhilesh Yadav, whether it is the Congress party, they are going all guns blazing against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What did Akhilesh Yadav basically say? Akhilesh Yadav today took on Prime Minister Modi directly and said that the BJP is inaugurating an incomplete highway. The quality of the expressway has been compromised because it has been made in a hurry just to show for elections. People are being misled today by Prime Minister and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. All of this has been said by Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav. So why is this so important again for Purvanchal? To help you understand the context and perspective, why is the seat share that's so significant? For Purvanchal, BJP has 117 seats. Congress has just won 2. Samajwadi Party has 17, BSP 14, others 8. This is for 2017 Assembly election. So remember, it's not just a Purvanchal expressway, but this actually deals with the upcoming elections as well. Expressway to elections on political Pradesh. But apart from that, what else has been happening? What is the Congress up to? Let me bring you our wrap news for the day. At this point, while Priyanka Gandhi is also heading and fighting for a return for the Congress party, she'll be going to Chitrakoot as well. All of this will be our daily update, a show you would not want to miss. I'm going to keep an eye on the big news developments. Thank you so much for watching 6 p.m. Prime. We'll be back with more tomorrow as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And coming up next now after this will be stories from war. Now, literally, that is beginning in Uttar Pradesh and lots more. But also Punjab highlights with Charanjit Singh Channi literally talking to a cow. All those developments coming up after the break. Thank you.